In this video, we'll show you how to design an angle screw channel patient-specific abutment in exocad. Create an order on the project page, selecting the options for custom abutment and the material for it. Make sure to select the Scan Body Scan option at the bottom right, then click OK and proceed to the next step. Start by importing the scans for your case, paying close attention to what it asks for on the upper left corner of the open file screen. After confirming the scans loaded correctly, click next to select the implant type from the Preat Choice Library and align the scan body to the uploaded scan. Establish a trim line around the area of the scan that you would like the tissue portion of the abutment to end and the crown to begin, then continue. The software will automatically create the custom abutment for you. Adjust the margin of the tissue portion of the abutment to ensure there are no retentive areas and that it has the right shape, thickness, and gingival height. Modify the crown portion of the abutment to match your desired dimensions, thickness, inclination, and anatomy, then proceed to ensure there are no retentive areas that could prevent the crown from seating. The software should then merge your abutment design. If you click on Expert Mode in this section and select Detect Implant Analog Position, you will be able to rotate the Ti Blank until the window is in the area you wish to place it. Adjust the angulation of the ASC channel vertically or horizontally to the optimal location within the sides and bottom of the window. You can extend beyond the top of the window to accommodate the full angulation range from 0 to 30 degrees off axis. Once satisfied, the design can now be finalized. Click next to export the design and send for milling.